Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a big, giant, cool unbox monster truck tour. You want to unbox with us? We have a lot of big pieces here. And check it out. Look how it's here.
Yeah, it is called Monster Jam.
Monster Jam?
Yeah.
Well, check it out, guys. Let's pull this out and check what we have here. Some big giant stickers. Check it out, guys. We have a big OMG, guys. This is even taller than me.
Yeah, almost.
Whoa.
What is it?
What is this? This is the mouth of
Oh my god, that's the truck?
Yeah, that is the truck.
Wow, that looks huge.
That it looks huge. These are the pieces. And this is the truck here. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you know what this is? This one? Look at the picture here. That's the mouth.
Wow.
Nice monster truck.
That is unreal.
Okay, let's put it together and come back.
Okay, guys. Now we just build it up. And this monster truck comes with this piece. And I have a lot of new other monster trucks. And this is my baby brother that I have that he's gonna help you guys. Let's do it. You see this thing? It rolls this up like that. We have some little buttons here, and it could make some sounds. Check it out, and this could move, and this turns. Look, check it out. And then now we're gonna put this cool monster truck, roll it up. Then when it touch it, now let go, and it will boom. Ready, set, go! Whoa! And let's try my monster truck.
Ali, come. Try. Turn it.
Turn it.
Turn. You do it, Hadi.
Turn it.
Up, the other way.
Up. The other way.
Help
Other
him, help him.
way. Up. Whoa!
Wow.
Wow!
Good job, Ali. Yay.
Up. Switch it up. Woo!
Nice.
Whoa. Oh, emergency. Okay, now this thing touches to the car and it's come to that thing, then it slides all the way up. And then you put the car like this. See, it's holding the car. Then we push it up. Do you see that? Let's do it again. Whoa! Did you see that?
Ready? Go! Woo! Whoa!
We have like one side, and over here we have two sides, and two sides. Which side do you want to try? This is amazing. We just put this monster truck into the ball football. Now we just set this up. We're gonna try from here to there to ball football.
Let's go. Let's do it. Whoa! Did you see that? Wow! It fly from there just here. Going up, coming down. Wow! Oh! It came out from the ball pit. Ready, set, go! Nice. Let's go. Going up, coming down. Wow.
Super duper. Guys, did we try this?
Not yet. Let's try it. Whoa.
Oh, guys, you know what
Yeah,
that
you
did?
see, this just opened.
And you know what it did? It did like this.
Yeah, it flipped the car. What? Try again. Ready? Whoa, that was definitely higher.
When it flies, I will just run here and see how it flies.
Action! Whoa! Did you see that?
I just pushed it up and I just let it to the air.
Final attempt, okay? Come in. Wow! Ready? Whoa! Definitely that's the coolest one.
That was the coolest one. Cannonball!
Whoa!
Bye guys.